Good morning, everyone. Today is May 20th, and I am picking out my outfit for the hashtag Me Made May challenge. Hey guys, welcome to So Aldo. On today's tutorial, I am going to show you how to easily make a short pants without using any pattern. So if you want to see how, keep on watching. But before we get started, if you haven't subscribed to my channel, please do so. Just click the subscribe button down here and also hit the notifications so you will get notified whenever I post a new sewing project for beginners. So with that being said, let's go ahead and get started. I will be using a pair of shorts that I already owned, which I made a couple of years ago. So this is a stretchy fabric material. If you are going to use a non-stretch fabric, be sure to add at least 2 inches allowances on the side. For this sewing project, I will be using this maxi dress that my sister gave to me last year when I went to the Philippines. I haven't worn it just because it's not really my style because of the ruffle detail on the front. So I decided I'm just going to turn it into a pair of shorts that I can enjoy and appreciate. I chopped off the bodice and now I am going to be cutting out the short panels. So this material that I am using has a little bit of a stretch. That's why I didn't add that extra allowance on the side, which I wish I did just because it was just a little tight but still wearable. Now I am going to cut it out, adding about 1/2 inch seam allowances on all 4 sides. By the way, if you are a true beginner, add extra allowances more than 1/2 inch so you will have room to work with just in case you made a mistake or if you need to adjust it. As I suspected, I didn't have enough material for this panel, so I'm gonna have to use the other side of the fabric that has a different print. So I will be using this as my template to cut out the other leg panel. Now you should have something like this. I'm going to adjust the curve right here. I'm just going to trim it by about 1/2 inch. I just want it to be curved. Now I am going to match the right sides of the fabrics and I will join the curve. So I'm just going to sew it right here. After that, I am going to line up the crotch seam and then I am going to sew it as well. If I don't, it will just look like a weird looking skirt. And for all of you that are first time to sew a pair of shorts, I suggest that you base stitch everything first and then try it on, make sure it fits you perfectly and then go back and do a proper stitching. Then I went ahead and overlock all the raw edges. If you don't have an overlocker, you can just use a narrow zigzag stitch. That will do just fine. Now it's time to make a separate casing for the elastic. I will be doing a 2-inch wide waistband and it's cut on fold. So basically I am going to match the waistline of the shorts to the waistband, make sure they are the same length. Join the side seam of the waistband and then I am going to fold it in half. Wrong sides are facing each other and then I will quarter the waistline and the waistband. By the way, if you are still with me watching this tutorial, thank you so much for staying throughout the video. We are halfway there. Right after this, we are going to add the elastic. Be sure to leave an opening so we can feed the elastic through. I am very pleased. I love the contrasting prints on the shorts. Okay, just because there was a shortage of elastic, I wasn't able to purchase a wide elastic, so I will be using the small one, but I will use 3 of them. Now I am going to sew 2 rows of straight stitch to make a separate casing for small elastics. Figure out how much elastic you will need, just wrap it around your waistline and then add 1-inch allowance. I will use a small safety pin to drive the elastic through the casing. So after I reach the other end, I am going to secure the elastic and distribute the elastic throughout the waistband. And I will repeat it 2 more times. This is the time to adjust the waistband. Be sure to try it on before you actually close the waistband opening. Make sure none of the elastic twisted because that will be really annoying. After I close the opening, all what's left to do is hem the shorts. I decided to serge it and I like the look of it, but if you want to, you can double fold it and sew it all the way around. So this is the final project. I absolutely love how it turned out. I actually like the contrasting pattern. It's, yeah, very summery in boho style. I absolutely love it. I like the contrasting color. I'm not going to be able to try this on for you guys on camera, but I did try it on off camera earlier and it fits perfectly. So that's it for today, and I hope you like this simple DIY sewing project. And if this is helpful to you, be sure to give this video a thumbs up and yeah, subscribe to my channel to support me. And that's it, you guys. I hope to see you next time for more easy and free sewing tutorials. I will see you soon. Bye!